So I recently made some updates and changes to the LED kit that we offer on the website for the BRZ, FRS, and GT86 platform, making it even better than it already was at the exact same price that it always has been. So real quick, we'll take a look at what the LED kit used to be and what you can expect from it now. So here's the original kit. It features 2 side marker bulbs, 2 reverse lights, the 2 license plate bulbs, and a dome light. Basically like the bare essentials that I believe you need for the bulbs that should be converted to LED on the car. Went ahead and went with your wishes and added even more functionality to the LED kit. So now we have all the same bulbs that were featured in this kit with the addition of a trunk light and also the door lights, or the courtesy lights for when the doors get opened. So let's go and we'll take a quick little dive into the new LED kit. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is now the LED kit does come with a little free sticker as well on top of it, which is just a half scaled down version of the box logo that a lot of y'all have been picking up with tunes and stuff, and also just picking up on their own, which I greatly appreciate all the support you guys have been giving through the website. So here is all the bulbs you can expect in the new kit. You of course get the reverse light that you've been getting, the dome light you've been getting, the brand new trunk light, you got the side marker lights, the brand new door lights, and also the license plate bulb. So this kit will essentially fill every bulb that your car has to offer with an LED light for cheaper than most actually offer them, at a much higher quality bulb as well. Another thing I did want to mention, we still of course do have a ton of stickers on the website. We have the large boys still, we have the Purple Rain kind of degenerate motoring logo, and then the large scale box logo, the normal size and the half size Wavy Gravy Gen 1 Charizard spec degenerate motoring box logos. Also, if you've purchased an LED kit in the past, if you shoot me an email at degeneratemotoring@gmail.com or an Instagram DM, and you can prove to me that you have made an order, I will go ahead and ship out the new bulbs to you if you're in the continental US. But if you're interested in that, yeah, shoot me an email. I will do all that I can to kind of convert your V1 to the V2, if you will. Also, I'd expect to see a ton more content coming out of the channel. I have multiple things lined up for the BRZ when I get back into town, so I'll definitely look forward to that if you're still interested in watching this mediocre content that comes out on this channel. And yeah, as always, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching. If you would like to subscribe for mediocre content such as this, please do, and take care.